How to upload files in Slack. If you have been using the Slack application and wondering on how to upload files on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it, so let's get started. First of all, open the Slack application. Just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now tap onto one of the channels or chats that you would like to upload the file. Just like this. Then here you can find plus button, select it. Now here you can find upload a file right here, tap on it. Now simply you can upload a file, choose one just like this. Simply tap on to attach one item and simply send it. And now you can see your file is now sending. And that's it. This is how you can upload files in Slack. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.